Ladies and gentlemen, I'm from Team Champions, and today we're talking about plastic waste. Now, why is plastic waste a problem? There's actually a variety of plastic waste out there in the world, but did you know each year humans dump 13 million tons of it into the ocean, which means by 2050 that there will be more plastic than fish. Now, in this chart, you can see that PET bottles, which are plastic bottles, are ranked number 1 on the global plastic waste scale. And here you can see that plastic takes up about 90% of all plastic waste. And in that 90%, about 75% of it is plastic related to dining and food.
And the effects on the environment include soil, plants, and animals. And that is an actual issue. A female whale was stranded at Hualien Beach, and her stomach was filled with a lot of plastic waste. And also, there isn't any concrete evidence to prove what causes the whale's death, but most scientists believe it is caused by plastic waste. And as you can see, we should fix the problem as soon as possible, or else more and more animals will die. And please focus on this picture. With the people burning the plastic waste, it will definitely cause the air pollution, and after running with the small particles, it will pollute the soil and water. Keep cycling and cycling.
Many plastic garbage people throw into rivers or ditches flow into the sea. And because of ocean currents, they all gather into these 3 areas. Scientists call them plastic islands. The chart shows that the amount of plastic production have been dramatically increasing. People often use plastic products because they are usually cheaper or more convenient. Most people know the bad effects that plastics bring to our earth, but they still aren't aware of how serious the problem is. So they choose to satisfy their own needs. What can we do to solve this problem? We can bring reusable bags or bottles when shopping. Also, we can turn the waste into products.
Reusing the bottles and bags allow us to get rid of a lot of extra plastic that we really don't need, and so we won't dump them into the ocean, which is, very good for the ocean, of course. For example, like metal water bottles and everything is just a very good material to be reused. So just to recap, plastic bags take up about 40% of all plastic waste, PET bottles take up about 40% of all ocean waste, and plastic is bad for the environment and animals and nature, so we should reduce and reuse a lot of other things instead of plastic. Thanks for listening.